sometimes it happens to us, we are not able to connect Wi-Fi even password is correct. So today in this video I'm going to show you two methods that you can connect again on your Wi-Fi. So let's get started. So this is Anis, welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. First of all, show you my first method that normally open Wi-Fi, then select the Wi-Fi name and press and hold, then select the forget and enter your password again. If this method is not work, then go to settings, then search for reset, and here is three different options: reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and reset apps performance, and third one is delete all data. That's mean factory reset. We are not going to reset factory, so select first one, reset Wi-Fi and mobile Bluetooth options. Then here is three options resetting. Just tap on recent settings, then enter your password or give your pattern, then reset again, and it is resetting your all your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data connections. So then connect again and go to Wi-Fi, then open, and again you can connect. Then connect and it's work. So as you can see, it's connected. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.